Okay. Please tell me if you can see my screen. Can you see my hello?
Yeah.
Hello. Okay.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So once again, good morning, students from 3/8 is EP. Welcome back to our online class, still online class. And today is Tuesday, and this is your mathematics class schedule. So don't forget, don't be absent, okay? So that you will learn more about our lesson. Okay. So, oh, hello, Ran. Morning. Pakwalan. Yeah, yeah, Pakwalan, right? Yeah. Okay. You are in Park. Oh, it's okay as long as you are here. No problem. Okay, so let's continue our lessons. Last time we talked about length, right? Especially comparing length, estimating length, or about, what's it? Yeah, estimating length. Okay, and today we are going to learn about relationship between units of length. Okay, so look at here. Don't forget this one, the relationship and the equivalent in the units of length. So 1 centimeter, 1 cm, how many millimeters? There are
10 millimeters.
10. Okay, so always remember this, that in every 1 meter, a centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeters. And 1 meter, how many centimeters?
100 centimeters.
Yes. Memorize this one. And 1 kilometer, how many meters?
1000 meters.
Yes. So let's try to learn how to convert, okay, the units of length in centimeter to millimeter, something like that. Okay. So here, look at here. Convert 170 centimeters into meters and centimeters. What will you do? How to convert 170 centimeters into meters and centimeters? Yes? Hmm?
1 meter and
Oh,
27 centimeters.
okay. Remember that 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters, or 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So here 170 equals, let's
1 meter.
yeah, 100 plus 170, 100 plus 70, the same unit, centimeters. Okay, and then take note, every 100 centimeters is equals to 1 meter. So how to convert now? Very easy, right? 1 meter and 70 centimeters. Like that. Okay? So in every 100 centimeters, 1 equivalent to 1 meter. So the answer here, if you convert 170 centimeters to meters and centimeters, is 1 meter and 70 centimeters. All right. You can see like this, 100 or 1 meter. And the other side is 70 centimeters. So therefore, you have here the correct answer. Okay. Another one here. Convert 1 centimeters, 5 centimeters into millimeters. What's your answer? 5 centimeters to millimeters. So 1
15 millimeter.
centimeter
50 millimeter.
and
15.
very good. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So 5 times 10, right? 5 times 10. So 50 millimeters. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, look at here. There's a situation here. Somsak purchased 3 meters and 5 or 50 centimeters of rope. Now, question, how long is the rope in centimeters?
300 centimeter.
Wow.
350 centimeter.
Wow, very good. That's correct. Okay, so take note that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So 3 meters and 50 centimeters. So 300. Okay, plus 50. So you should convert into the same unit so that you can add. Okay, so 300 plus 3 meters. So 300 centimeters plus 50. So your answer is correct. 350 centimeters. So the rope is 350 centimeters long. Okay, that's how to convert according to the question here. What is being asked in the problem? Okay, next. Another one here.
According to press.
Another one here. How many meters in how many meters is 700 centimeters long string?
7 meter. 7
Okay,
meter.
so take note. Remember that 1 meter
7 meter.
equal to 100.
Meter.
Very good. So very easy. 7 centimeters. Okay, so the string is no. Sorry. It should be meter. Okay. 7 meters long. Okay, another one here. Let me give you some examples. Okay, another situation here. A building is 855 centimeters tall. From here until here, this building is 855. Now, question, what is the height?
8 meter 55 centimeter.
Oh,
8 meter and
good.
55 centimeter.
So the height, try to write or try to convert this into meters and centimeters. So what will you do here is 800 plus 55. So 800, take note 1 meter, 100 centimeters. So 800 plus 55. Uy, what happened to this? This is cm. Okay. All right. So the answer is, you are correct. 8 meters and 55 centimeters. So the height of the building is 8 meters and 55 centimeters tall. Okay, I will give you another example here. Okay, what here? A drinking glass has a height of 14 centimeters and 5 millimeters. What is the height?
145 millimeter.
145 millimeter.
So, one,
Very easy.
very easy. Uh,
Yes.
10 millimeters. So very easy if you memorize the relationship between the units of length. Okay, so convert for 140 millimeters plus 5 millimeters. So we have here 145 millimeters. So the height of the glass is 45 millimeters. Okay. Another one here. She traveled 26 kilometers and 680 meters by bus from town A to town B. Now, what is the distance between town A to B in meters? Take note, 25 kilometers and 680 meters. So, convert. Convert, what is the answer here? 26 kilometers and 680 meters. Remember that one kilometer is equal to page, wait.
26 meter. 6,000 meter.
Okay.
12,000.
You can follow page. We are now on page 146.
26,000 and
880 meter.
Page 100. This is page 146. You can open your book. You can follow. Okay. Okay. So look at here. Let's convert 1 kilometer. How many meters? 1,000 meters. So 26 is 26,000 meters plus 680 meters. So the answer here is 26,680 meters. That is the distance between town A and town B. So if you memorize the relationship between the units of length, it's easy for you to convert, right? Very easy to convert. So that's the answer. In meters, 26,680 meters. Okay. Okay. Now, let me give you or let me share to you the rules, how to convert millimeters to centimeters, centimeters to millimeters. Okay. But here, to convert millimeters class to centimeters, you just what? Divide the length in millimeters by 10 because 1 centimeter equivalent to 10 millimeters. So divide by 10. So for example, convert 40 millimeters to centimeters. So divide by 10. 40 divided by 10 equals 4. Or you can also do like this. 40 minus 10 equals 30. Minus 10 plus 20 minus 10, 10 minus 10, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay. So 40 divided by 10 equals 4. So 40 millimeters is equal to 4 centimeters. Another example here, 70 millimeters, 2 centimeters, 70 divided by 10. Okay, and the answer is 7. So 7 centimeters. Okay, how about millimeters or centimeters to millimeters? So listen here. Look at the screen. To convert centimeters class to millimeters is to what? Multiply the length in centimeters by 10. So multiply by 10. So look at here. Convert 852 centimeters to millimeters. 852 times 10. Like that. 8,520. So 852 centimeters is equal to 8,520. Another example here. How about 110 centimeters? Oh, sorry. This is millimeters. Okay.
Teacher, may I go to 100, please?
Okay, we can go like this. 110 times 10 equals 1,100 millimeters. Okay, how about meters? Centimeters to meters. So if you convert centimeters to meters class, divide. Okay, divide the length in centimeters by 100. Why by 100? Because 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So example, convert 200 centimeters to meters. 200 divided by 100 is 2. Like that. Another example here, 500 centimeters to meters. 500 divided by 100 equals 5. So 500 centimeters is equal to 5 meters. Okay, that's the rule. That's the steps. Another one here, if meters to
Teacher, I
centimeters.
can't see your screen.
You cannot see?
I can't see your screen.
Okay, that's good. Oh, sorry. What happened to this? How about that? Hello? Can you see it?
Yes.
You cannot see a while ago?
Yes, I can see.
Oh, sorry. The screen sharing here was paused. Sorry. So thank you for that reminder, EQ. So how about this? Did you see it a while ago? You did not see this one? This part here? Hello, EQ, did you see this one? This part?
Yes.
While I'm talking a while ago, did you see it? This one?
Yes.
Okay, so let's continue. So let's go to
Teacher,
meters.
yes.
Wait. It's not found in your book. I'm just adding this for more additional learning about conversion. Okay, I will tell you the page later for your activity. Okay. So conversion from meters to centimeters. To convert class, you need to multiply the length in meters by 100 because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So example here, 23 times 100. Okay, 2,300. So that's it. Another example here, convert 45 meters to centimeters. 45 times 100, like that. Okay, 4,500. All right, so another one here. Let's go to the last part, conversion from meters to kilometers. So to convert class, just divide the length in meters by 1,000 because 1,000 meters equals to 1 kilometer. Example here, 6,000 divided by 1,000. So 6, like that. Okay. Yeah, 2,000 meters to kilometers, 2,000 divided by 1,000 equals 2. So 2,000 meters equals to, I'm sorry, I forgot to change again. Okay. All right, that's it. So that example, last here, last. Kilometers to meters. You just multiply, okay? Multiply the length in kilometers by 1,000. So because 1 kilometer, 1,000 meters. So times 1,000, 3 kilometers. Very easy, like that, 3,000. Another example here, convert 5 kilometers to meters, 5 times 1,000, like that, 5,000. Okay.
1,000.
Yes, that's the steps and the rule in conversion of units. Yeah, in units of length. Let's go here. Your book. Open your book. Page 147, please. 147.
Okay.
Okay, let's try
Teacher,
to.
47, me finish.
Are you finished?
Yes, I'm finished too.
Oh, very good. So tell me your answer here if that is correct. Okay. So let's try to convert this one. 14 centimeters. How many millimeters?
140. 140.
So
140
14 times 10. Oh, 14 times 10. So the answer
Yes,
is
teacher.
140.
very good. 143. How about number 2?
75.
75.
So 750 divided by 10. Divided by 10 like that. Or we can separate it. So 75. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. How about number 3? What's your answer number 3?
900.
9 meters.
900.
So centimeters. So take note, 1
900
meter
centimeters.
equals to 100 centimeters. So 9 times 100. 9 times 100. Okay, so the answer is 900. Okay, follow. How about number 4? Number 4.
8.
Oh, 800. 800 divided by 100. Like that. So,
8.
8 meters. Easy? Very easy?
Yes.
Oh, very good. So how about this? Number 5. Number 5. What's your answer? Number 5. 8 meters.
8,040. 400.
1,430.
20.
Okay. So 8 meters. How many centimeters? 800, right? 800 plus 420. Correct? 20. 420 equals, what's the answer? 0 to 1,000.
1,220.
Okay. 1,220. Okay, are you following? Finish? Let's go to the next. Next, number 6. There are only 10 items here. Number 6. Convert 32 centimeters and 9 millimeters to millimeters. What's the answer? So
329 millimeters.
This one is 320, correct? Plus
329 millimeters.
plus 9. Yeah, plus 9. Okay, so very good. That's correct. 300 plus 9. So 320.
29.
Okay, very good. How about this one? 425. Convert into meters and centimeters.
4 meters and 25 meters.
400. So 400. 4 meter, right? 4 meter. 4 meter and
4 meter
25.
25 centimeter.
very good. 4 meters and 25 centimeters. Number 8. What is your answer? Number 8. Number 8. 631 millimeters.
53 centimeters.
63 centimeter, 1 millimeter.
Okay. 630. 63 centimeters and 1 millimeters, because 631 divided by 10. 600 divided by 10. Right, very good. Number 9. Number 9. 54 kilometers. Convert this into meters.
54,000 meters.
54 times 1,000. So the answer is
54,000 meter.
54,000
54,000 meter.
okay, 54,000. Like that, 54,000. Very good. Last number 10. What is your answer? 32 kilometers and 74.
32
100. 32.
74.
42,074.
Plus 70.
74.
So the answer is 32.
32,714 meters.
Huh? 32,000
1,000.
and 32 and
74.
0 and 74.
74.
Like that. Okay. Okay, so are your answers are correct? Are your answers correct? Are your answers correct? Very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
What? Are you finished?
okay.
Okay, very good. So, do you understand how to convert units of length? You understand? Easy, difficult?
Yes.
Easy?
Yeah.
I understand.
Very good. So do you have any questions, clarifications? You can turn on
Have
your
quick.
microphone now.
I don't have question. I don't have question.
What was that? I don't have what?
They don't have homework.
You can continue this one, answering if you're not finished. This is part of the activity today for the remaining time.
Oh, not finished.
Not finished? Okay, you
Kan,
can. Yeah, you can finish this one.
Homework.
This is your homework.
Homework.
This is your homework, page 147. Okay, you can also
I'm
review.
finished.
You can also review this
I'm
video.
finished.
You
I
can,
don't have.
okay,
I don't have.
you can read your book in
I don't
advance.
have homework.
You can study in advance. You can review this video again. That would be better. Okay. Any questions so far?
No, teacher. I don't
Good.
have question.
Okay, good. All right. So if no questions, that's all for this morning.
No, teacher.
So thank you for, yes.
Thank you, teacher
Thank you
Joe.
for listening.
Thank you,
And
Bye.
John.
see you next time. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you. See you Thursday.
Yes.